Hi Filipino learners, my name is JC. Kumusta kayo? In today's video, we will discuss the Tagalog word naman. Naman is a very difficult word to explain to non-native speakers of Tagalog simply because it has many different meanings. It changes depending on how it was used in a sentence. Now, I won't be able to share with you every possible meaning of this word, but I will be teaching you 5 of its most common uses. When you see the word na before naman, this combination means again in English. Halimbawa, ikaw na naman, you again. Nanalo na naman sila. They won again. Umuulan na naman. It is raining again. Nandito na naman siya. He's here again. Now, when you see naman right after an adjective, it is usually there to give more emphasis on how you're describing something. Or sometimes, it is used to express that you are in awe or you're wowed by what you are describing. Halimbawa, ang ganda naman. How beautiful. Ang cute naman yan. That is so cute. Now, I mentioned earlier that it gives emphasis, so it functions like so or really in English. Like, ang cute naman ng pusa mo. Your cat is so cute. Ang ganda naman ng girlfriend mo. Your girlfriend is really pretty. Ang laki naman ng bahay mo. Your house is really big. Or your house is huge. Ang hirap naman ito. This is really difficult. Ang mahal naman ng bag na to. This bag is so expensive. Naman is also used to show difference or contrast between two persons, objects, or ideas. Halimbawa, maaraw kahapon, ngayon naman maulan. It was sunny yesterday, now it's rainy. Here, you are describing how yesterday is so different from today in terms of weather. Another one, mahilig si Marian sa kape, ako naman sa tsaa. Marian likes or loves coffee, while I like tea. As you can see in this example, naman kind of functions like the word while in English. Another example, sasayaw siya sa party, si Edwin naman kakanta. She will dance at the party, while Edwin will sing. Next one, magaling sa math si Brian, si Bianca naman sa physics. Brian is good in math, while Bianca is good in physics. By the way, math is matematika in Tagalog, while physics is pisika. But we don't really use those words in daily conversations. If you have family or friends who speaks Tagalog, you will notice that we do this with some words where we use the English word instead of the Tagalog word more often. Naman is also used when stating an alternative or something different from what is usually done. Okay, to make it clear, I'll give you an example. Let's say you're talking to a friend and you say to him, makinig ka sa magulang mo. In English, that means listen to your parents. But if you add naman, makinig ka naman sa mga magulang mo. Okay, here, you're saying that your friend does not usually listen to his parents, and you're telling him, listen to your parents for a change. Okay, another example. Kumain tayo sa labas. Let's eat out. But if you add naman, kumain naman tayo sa labas. This time, you mean let's eat out for a change, or let's eat out this time. Okay? One last example. Let's say you're at a supermarket and you're pointing at a particular brand of detergent and you say, ito ang bilhin natin. This means, let's buy this one. But if you add naman, ito naman ang bilhin natin. It's like saying that you don't usually buy that particular brand and you want to buy this one instead. Okay, so let's buy this one for a change, or let's buy this one instead. So you're providing an alternative to what you usually buy. And lastly, you can use naman if you would like to soften a command. So you can use this if you want to tell somebody to do something without sounding too bossy or like you're giving them orders. You can also use this if you would like to ask for a small favor. But take note that using naman like this sounds very casual. So it is something you'd probably want to use to someone you already know, like a friend or a family member. Bigyan ko kayo ng halimbawa. I'll give you one example. Ipakilala mo naman ako sa kanya. Introduce me to her. So it's not like you're ordering them to do it, like, introduce me to her. No. But I wouldn't say it's like a request either, like, can you introduce me to her? Where it kind of sounds like you're asking for permission. That, in Tagalog, would be, pwede mo ba akong ipakilala sa kanya? Right? But I would say it's somewhere between that. Somewhere between a request and a command. And again, it sounds very casual. Isa pang halimbawa, samahan mo naman ako sa mall. Come with me to the mall. Dalhan mo naman ako ng pagkain. Bring me some food. Magkwento ka naman. Tell us a story. Okay, before we end, I would like to give you 5 common expressions with naman. The first one, oo naman. Of course. Bakit naman? Why so? Yeah, very straightforward. Ano naman? So what? Hindi naman. Not really. Sayang naman. What a waste. So this one you can use like when you've cooked a lot of food and it's spoiled. So you can say, sayang naman. What a waste. Right? But this doesn't only apply to food or material objects. You could also use this on wasted opportunities or missed opportunities. Like for example, a friend of yours offered you to join an all-expense-paid trip. But you can't miss work, so you can say, sayang naman, too bad. Or, sayang naman, di ako makakasama. Too bad I can't come. Well, that is it for today's video. If you like this, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam.